What are you doing?
Having dinner.
That's your dinner?
This was my dinner. It was a salad.
What's that?
Do you want some? It's vermouth.
What's a vermouth?
It's like wine. It's made from wine.
You just drink it?
Yeah,
with
that's
nothing?
how you're just supposed to drink it.
I see.
Or you can make a cocktail with it.
What are you gonna make me with it?
A Manhattan.
What's in a Manhattan?
You need vermouth. And I guess you need whiskey.
Whiskey?
Go with this one.
What type of whiskey is that?
American. It's not rye or bourbon. It's probably a little bit of both. Oh shit, we need your bitters too. So, an easy way to remember the proportions for Manhattan is it's 2 dashes of bitters and then 1 ounce of vermouth. And then it's 2 ounces of whiskey.
So 212.
212, which is the area code for Manhattan.
Wow.
Wow,
That's probably not how it got its name, right?
what a coincidence.
What are you doing here?
We're cracking the ice cube. Just to help dilute it a little bit more. Let's see what it tastes like. Almost.
So this is almost like an old fashioned.
It's very similar. Instead of simple syrup, it has vermouth.
Do they
And then
taste similar?
an old fashioned might be a little bit sweeter, but they're mostly whiskey and bitters, so they're gonna taste pretty similar. And then it's usually garnished with one of these cherries.